All right, good morning, everybody. I'm going to be testing here in a little bit, but I wanted to go over what you're doing on Schoology today. So you're going to begin your setting analysis project today, and I have some links provided for you. The first one is the project plan from yesterday. You need to make sure that you complete that because it has all the information for this project. I went ahead and did this slides template. If you decide not to do slides, that's okay. We'll figure out a different way for you to turn in your assignment. But the instructions for this assignment are on the second page of the presentation, okay? So here, you're going to complete all of the guiding questions. So if there's 2 or 3, you need to answer all of them. And then wherever it's specified, you'll see it in red text. You'll need to include text evidence, okay? Every slide should have some sort of visuals that connect to the information that you're writing about. So it could be memes, GIFs, symbols. It could be things you decide to draw and then upload as pictures. But ultimately, that's where it is. These are some guiding questions that you might want to think about as you're typing some of your responses, okay? So if you're not sure how to answer a certain section, some of these are more specific guiding questions to help you narrow down your thinking, okay? So the second link here is my sample template. I'm going to go ahead and do the slides project with you guys. And I'm going to do it based on the book I'm currently reading, which is Scythe. And I know for some of you, this was also an option as far as looking maybe the first couple of chapters of the book. So the setting and the time and place, right, and the cultural values, and then I need to make sure I have text evidence. So you can see that I did include my evidence, and then I have all of these images or GIFs or quotes that kind of support the information that I put on the setting. So I said the time period of this book takes place well beyond 2042, the year they conquered death and stopped counting the years. Mid-America is a utopian society where society no longer needs improvement. There's no need for government, money, schooling, etc., because they have learned everything there is to know. Old age is not anything to worry about. However, in order to keep the population under control, the sites are meant to glean or kill according to a specific set of statistics that mirror natural death. Thus, life, or at least the absence of it, is what the citizens of this society value most, okay? So it's just a paragraph. I included my evidence, and ultimately I talked about the cultural values because that was really important in this book, okay? If you choose the one-pager instead of the template, this is kind of an outline, if you will, of maybe how you can organize it. It's just a suggestion. You can change it, but you have to have all of the information in here, okay? So if I'm asking for, an image that does something here, if I'm asking for quotes or whatever, all of that information has to be there. You can organize it however you want. But on the second page, here is an example what a one-pager would look like with the images and the different things that you can handwrite, okay? And then this is how you would submit it. You would create an image and you would put it on a Google Doc and share it with me instead of putting it on the slides, okay? Or you can attach it to the same assignment, but we'll talk about that as we get closer to Friday. So your attendance question for today, because we're not on Zoom and you're not in person, it's based on the setting because this is the section that needs to be completed in your project, okay? You need to describe the time, place, and cultural setting and values of your book or your text. Or you can simply just copy and paste a piece of direct text evidence that describes the setting of your book. This is your attendance credit for today. So tomorrow morning when I come to school, I'm going to check to see who all completed that, and that will be what makes you absent or present, okay? Since none of you should be on campus testing today. All right, guys, make sure you watch the video tomorrow and Thursday so that we can look at the rest of the sections in this project, all right? Have a great day. See you soon. Take care.